Yeah, I believe that life is full of opportunities. Some opportunities you can plan for, some opportunities come across your way totally unplanned, like this little excursion that I'm currently on. In the background you can see the pump house close to the river, and then right next to me or behind me at the moment is the river flowing very nicely. I would have loved to cast a few lines in here and see what I could catch, but it's absolutely beautiful. And yeah, just check out the background right next to the river. My type of place. I would have loved to spend some more time here, but unfortunately I have to get back. Yeah, yeah, but the temptation is there. So today we are attending a birthday celebration for one of our family members turning 80, and I took the opportunity to do a little bit of exploring. And as I'm exploring, I came across this little, I'm not sure if it used to be a fishing cabin type of thing, but as you can see in the background, a nice old building, unfortunately totally dilapidated. If this was mine, that thing would have been looking totally different, and yeah, it would have been a different situation. But yeah, as it is, no longer functional, but definitely interesting. And then just across the river, I'm just gonna get into a position where I can just try and film it. Just hold on. Yeah, so this is the Klip River. It's running through the area that we are currently in, and then right across from the river we've got these two visitors, or I'm not sure if they are the residents, I'm the visitor, that's probably more like it. But we've got these two beautiful animals standing right across from where I am. So yeah, it's just an absolute beautiful scene to watch. Two very nice looking animals. Now this is just more video footage of the little building that I found. Like I said, might have been used for, I don't know, I'm not exactly sure, it's difficult to say, but if it was mine it would have looked a little bit different and it would probably be in use. But yeah, such is life. Yeah, right here on the riverbank, river flowing past, very nice. You can hear the bird life. That's also here, and then right there, two nice looking impala across the river. What a privilege. Yeah, and then just a little bit to the left of the impala, the impalas is over here. Just a little bit to the left, we've got two ostriches that I can see also doing their thing right across the river from me. Yeah, but like I said, unfortunately all good things have to come to an end. We're not really here to explore today, but I did take the opportunity to do a quick walkabout, and yeah, absolutely nice to find this little bit of a surprise close to Meyerton, not far from our place. I think it's a total of 30 odd k's from where I'm staying to here. Very nice venue. I would love to come back and do a little bit more exploration in the future. Yeah, let's see what happens, you never know. So we might end up making a volume 2 of this video in the near future, but yeah, up until that time, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed some of the scenery that I did find. And yeah, always enjoy life and keep on prepping.